Welcome to Off the Clock Attorney Talk. I'm Scott Hislop.
And I'm Brad Crockett. Today we're going to talk about powers of attorney. This is our second video in our series on estate planning. So Scott, what is a power of attorney?
Great question. A power of attorney is granting the authority to somebody else to make decisions for you.
So it's called a power of attorney. Does the person you give this to have to be an attorney?
No, it does not have to be an attorney. It can be your mom, it can be your spouse, it can be your dad, it can be a nephew, it can be anybody who's over the age of 18 that you have confidence in and will make the best decisions for you.
What are the risks associated with giving someone a power of attorney?
There are some real risks of giving someone a power of attorney. The powers you grant give them the authority, whatever you list in that grant, to do those things on your behalf, to contract for you, to buy things for you, to file your tax return for you. Those things that you give away, they get the absolute authority to take and do for you.
So if you gave me a power of attorney, tomorrow I could go out and buy a new car in your name?
Theoretically, yes. But there's a couple, in estate planning, there's a couple different ways that we have powers of attorney become effective. One of them is immediate, whereas if I gave that authority to you now, you had that authority.
And I could go buy the car.
Theoretically. The other way is through a springy power of attorney, where a doctor has to determine whether or not I'm competent, whether I can make decisions for myself or not. That's called a springy power of attorney. And the car idea brings up a good point. Remember, you have to be careful on who you give the authority to make sure you're looking out for your best interests.
So those are some of the risks. What's the benefit? Why would I give someone a power of attorney?
Well, on the flip side, if you can't make decisions for yourself, then you want somebody seamlessly to be able to do those things for you, to file your tax return, to take care of your retirement account, to make sure your house payment gets made. Those things that you ordinarily would do for yourself, if you can't do them or are unable to do them for some period of time, you want that person to be able to do it for you.
I think earlier you talked about a durable power of attorney. What does it mean for a power of attorney to be durable?
Good question. Again, in the estate planning world, we are looking for that power to be used when we can't make decisions for ourselves. A normal power of attorney will terminate at incapacitation when I can't make decisions for myself. The durable provision of a durable power of attorney takes care of that. It allows for the attorney, in fact, the person you've given the authority to make those decisions when you can't make them for yourself. That's the durable.